Close your eyes for a moment. Imagine you are living 3,000 years ago. You are sick. There are no hospitals, no doctors, no medicine. Where would you go? To a temple. And instead of pills, you receive words, prayers, belief, and somehow you heal. Is that magic? Or is it the power of the subconscious mind? Let's discover the ancient secret. Healing in ancient civilizations. In ancient Egypt, Greece, India, and Rome, healing was deeply connected to faith and belief. People visited temples dedicated to healing gods. For example, in ancient Greece, people visited temples of Asclepius. They would sleep inside the temple, believing they would receive healing through dreams. This practice was called sleep healing. Now think about this carefully. They believed they would be healed. They expected recovery. They trusted the process completely, and their subconscious mind responded. Joseph Murphy explains that the subconscious mind accepts whatever we impress upon it with feeling and faith. Ancient priests understood one powerful truth. When belief is strong, the body follows. The science behind faith. Now let's go deeper. The subconscious mind does not argue. It does not question logic. It only responds to dominant beliefs. If a person constantly thinks, "I am weak, I am sick, I will never recover," the subconscious accepts it as truth. But if a person believes deeply, "I am healing, my body is strong, I am improving every day," the subconscious begins to activate the body's natural healing system. Ancient rituals were not magic. They were psychological tools. They created expectation, emotional intensity, absolute faith. And these three elements activated healing. Speaking practice. Interactive section. Repeat with power. My subconscious mind supports my healing. Faith is a powerful medicine. My thoughts create my physical condition. I choose belief over fear. Answer these questions out loud. Why do you think ancient people trusted temple healing so strongly? Do you believe the mind can influence the body? Explain your opinion. How can fear negatively affect our health? If you were living in ancient times, would you believe in temple healing? Why or why not? Vocabulary explanation section. Here are important words from this chapter. 1. Subconscious mind. The deeper part of your mind that controls habits, emotions, and body functions. 2. Ritual. A repeated action done in a special or spiritual way. Example, praying every morning. 3. Faith. Strong belief without needing proof. 4. Expectation. Believing something will happen. 5. Impression. A strong idea placed into the mind. 6. Dominant belief. The strongest belief you hold repeatedly. 7. Healing. The process of becoming healthy again. Pronunciation tips. Practice these difficult words slowly. Subconscious. Break it. Sub-con-scious. Say subconscious. Civilization. Civilization. Say civilization. Psychological. Psychological.
Silent P. Say psychological. Expectation. Expectation. Say expectation. Healing. Healing. Long E sound. Expanded closing. Emotional impact. Now let me ask you something powerful. Today, we have advanced hospitals, modern technology, scientific research. But do we have strong belief? Ancient people had limited medicine, but unlimited faith. Maybe real healing is not just physical. Maybe it begins with a simple thought. I trust my body. I trust my mind. I trust the healing power within me. Because your subconscious mind is always listening. What message are you sending to it right now?